These girls are starving, my poor baby.
Sure they are.
Come on in. Come on, Meadow. Here, Meadow. Come on, girl.
Go get changed. Go meet me in bed. Okay, honey? They miss their mommy. What are you doing, Liz?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Videotaping Bailey.
Showing pictures.
Is Twiggy's
Yeah, I'm looking at
hair
pictures.
soaking wet? That's what I want to know. Hey, why is that rug folded over?
I don't know.
Check it out. Liv, pull it out. Is it heat on?
No.
Seriously, do you
Not
even know how
you.
to check?
Lori, gosh.
I'm letting them out. I don't care about the patio anymore. I don't care. Let them out.
Let him out here. Just say sit tonight.
Watch out. Let's go this way, girls. Let's go. Freaking A! And I locked Twiggy up, so you know what?